Good afternoon, everyone. Here's my son, Emmanuel Crusaint Wilfredo Lopez Laririt. He's gonna ride in his bike. This bike he received last December 2013 from Lopez Laririt with Flores Cortez through Tita Cherry's help too.
I ride my bike round and round here.
So go! I'm American made by the lash of the lace. My mama taught me I'm so bright. I was born in the South. Sometimes I have a big mouth, but I. We're here in Flores Cortez building. On the fourth floor. In their playground. Yeah. Here's Daddy Chris' residence. There's Laura Orang's residence, and here again my son driving, routing.